Hey everybody, good evening. This is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Taylor Morrison Home Corporation. This is ticker TMHC. Of course, Taylor Morrison Home is in the home builder sector. Let's take a quick look at XHB. XHB is under the 50-day moving average, and that tells me that a lot of home builders have just kind of been going sideways lately or really not been doing much of anything. If I look at Lennar here, we're seeing we're under the 50-day moving average, but finding support down near the 200-day. If I look at Pulte Group, it's also under the 50-day moving average. And so a lot of floundering happening in the home builders, but Taylor Morrison Home Corporation is actually outperforming. It's holding up way better than all of the other home builders. And so we have this nice month-long consolidation base above all these moving averages. It did dip under the 50-day, but they bought it right back up. And we can see a pretty clear resistance zone right above that 72 level. It's been sold above 72. It was sold up there today. So there's a seller up there, but I think if it can get above and stay above $72, then I think this could be in for another leg higher on this pretty strong uptrend. So I would definitely have an alert here on Taylor Morrison just under $72 and then look for that strong move and close through that level coming on volume. Now, I don't think that this stock is just going to break out on its own. It's probably going to need most of the sector to go with it, but the fact that Taylor Morrison is closer to the highs than all the others that we just looked at tells me that this stock has a high probability to outperform the rest. So definitely a top watch in the home builder sector here with Taylor Morrison. So that's just one of many stocks we'll be looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I'd love for you to join us. We have a great community of thousands of traders from all over the world. Click the link at Stock Market Mentor, sign up for a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.